So today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a filthy seat in a commercial environment. It just so happens that this commercial environment is the biggest arena in Ireland. This is a free arena in Dublin, and we've got a 13,000 capacity, but there's 2,500 thereabouts. Cloth seats. So as you can see, the seats are really, really dirty. Now, process and what you can expect to see in the video. We are going to agitate the seats dry with a special upholstery brush on a drill. Then we are going to vacuum the seats. Then we are going to pre-spray the seats with a detergent with an enzyme product in it. And then we are going to extract the seats with our Jaguar pub extraction machine. So all in, this process is going to take about 5 minutes. Start off with dry agitation, I should say. So 95% of soil in any carpet or upholstery is dry, so we want to get it out dry. Okay. And now I'm going to use my shop vac hot bite to pull out the dust from the pad. Now I'm going to pre-spray our detergent onto the seat. Quite liberally, I want it to really bite in and break the remaining soil down. It's predominantly sugar soil. So sugar, hot dog, Guinness, and hand grease. So kind of a myriad of tannic soil and sugar-based soiling. So that's what that product is designed to tackle. And now I'm going to agitate that product in to help emulsify and break down the soil. Now that product is really, really helping. It's high pH, it's really helping to break that soil contact from the synthetic fibre of the seat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the seat. So that's pretty much it for how we are cleaning the seats in here. So times that by 2,000 and we basically have processes going where we've got one person vacuuming, one person pre-spraying, one person agitating, and one person extracting. So we have teams and we're nearly through the job now. It's taken about 2 weeks to get through. Not every day because there's been gigs on in the venue.